All right, guys, it's starting the hair trick. It broke the rearview mirror off. We've destroyed the light, and I'll show you what we got going here. Shit. So, bop, bop, bop. The 3 fried rice 12s. An MD 12K, and I changed the mids and highs amp so it would be louder. It just wasn't loud enough. So I've been doing a little work on this. I finished that little Volkswagen yesterday, so I worked on this. And I reinforced another layer on here, so now we're 3 layers thick back here. And this is Nolan's amp. The 12K belongs to Nolan, the guy that makes these. So he's just like, throw it in there. I throw it in there. So anyway, yeah, that was my first real turn up with it. I set the gain on that amp like super conservative because it's not my amp. I'm still 4 clicks down. And honestly, I think the 2 DS18 5Ks made more power than that 12K. But I think it's because I have a lot of rise in here. They help fight the rise. You know, when you're splitting the load between 2 amps. But anyway, yeah, it's getting better.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running.
Oh, got this one done, ready to head out the door. Little 6th order with a 10. It's beating pretty good. Got a little 3K there on it. Pretty much stock electrical, so I got that thing turned way down to where it almost, and I mean, it ain't gonna be impossible to clip it, but it's gonna be hard. Yeah, coilovers are all done. It's lowered. It's getting ready to get these 2 side windows tinted right here. And then it's going out for alignment and we're done with it. So, but that little 6th order be beating in there. Dustin made that 6th order for the old Hayonka tin that they sent me. I tested it, never did anything with it, like free air. I gave it to Dustin. He built that little 6th order as a test, and that thing was pretty nasty, so he put a better tin in it and sold the truck it was in. So right now it went into a customer car and it's going bye-bye. The Oasis Wild 12 and the Fried Rice 12.
Oh man, I don't want to do what I got to do.
That Fried Rice 12 has got a way bigger motor. Biggest around. Let's see what they do. Happy Halloween, guys. So we're in here pulling out a dash. Got the new one going there, and a customer literally just walked in. Okay, yeah. As I was saying, we got the new dash, new airbag to put back in. My fucking grand thing. And this one had been in a collision. We're doing this for a body shop. New windshield was put in yesterday. Apparently they've already fixed the whole front. But well, we do a little bit of everything here. So we've almost got this out. We just got to pull the steering wheel off to get the dash to come out over it. But we got everything else done. Me and Dustin did this quick. Like, we've probably only been working at it under 30 minutes. We've already got everything tore apart. And this is how the new dash comes. Got to put the airbag under there, and yeah, we're gonna let it eat. It is what it is, guys. So this thing's terrible. Even using a steamer to get this old tin off, the old film is so cheap that this is what it leaves behind, using a steamer. Like cheap, some cheap window film has been on there way too long. So like the tint just peeled off easy, left all the old glue behind. So we got these doors clean. I ain't even started that one yet. The back is gonna be a pain in the ass, yeah. Here's my A-pillars for the Jeep. I went ahead and yesterday I started working on them, and I got a lot of that done. And yeah, this is where we're at. I got the flex stone on there to hide my shitty body work that I didn't feel like finishing.
You got the makings of some hellacious.
Yeah, and this is Dustin's A-pillars for Baba Yaga. That's the start. 2 3.5, 2 soft dome tweeters. Like, he saw me work on mine yesterday, and he's just like, fuck it. It gave him the incentive to get started. So, I mean, I'm gonna have to do some trimming, obviously, in these tweeter holes probably, but yeah, hopefully they fit. I've never really test fitted, and I tell y'all, like, do this a step at a time and test fit. I've never test fitted. But yeah, and then this is the color that I've been doing everything in the Jeep in. Too much teal, gloss seaside. Yeah, it's too much teal in there, I think, but I want it all to kind of match. So anyway, that's what I got going on. More, and look, this car gets baked in the sun. Look at this rear tag. Like, even the little stickers all peeling up, but yeah, it just, we got a steamer here, you know. I mean, I've took 10 off before up here, and it usually goes pretty good with that steamer, but this crap, man, you just kind of got to scrape it all off with a razor blade. And it's going to be a real pain in the ass in this back window with this Rudy Fogger. Here's who did the crappy tint job. Oh, I'll be back, guys. What? So I got it in. I got my horn in the door. I had to put that horn fell out. The second one back, the one on the right fell out. It come out, and it ripped the terminals off. So I had to get a new diaphragm, put in it, and angle it like I did the other one. Then I show you this side here. That's my alarm antenna hanging down there. Don't worry about that. But I got that A-pillar in. It looks so much better with them not being white and actually color matching. Finally getting this car. We got it all cleaned. He's getting the windows tinted and it. And this is what come out of my Jeep. Now we got a crack here. You could easily fix that with a little CA glue, Bondo. That just needs sanded and fixed. So I did cut them off. These are supposed to go like all the way on top of the driver and passenger door. I cut them off. The tabs on the back are broke out. That one's still good, but that one broke out. So if somebody has like an 89 to 96 Cherokee, I would probably just give them to you if you pay shipping. I know the mids are still good. Tweeters, not so much. Yeah. And I'm probably gonna snag these two little covers for the boat hose for mine. But they're in. They look nice from the front. Yeah, it does look nice in the front. Look at that. Yeah, not bad at all. And look, that barely clears the dash right there. Like, I got it so close. Like, you can, geez, we're zoomed in too much. Good God, get back. Now look. Like, it is so close. Bam. Look at it. Look at that clearance. But anyway, it worked out. It worked good. These things are awesome here. Pine pod? That little thing's awesome. But anyway, guys, that's about all we have for today. It has been an eventful Wednesday. I'm kind of happy I got my new Ampere Audio mids and tweeters in there. They're hooked up, they're playing, it's all, that part's done. It's probably ready for ruckus how it sits. I might clean the wheels. Don't hold me to that, but I'll probably clean them. After a ruckus, look at this shit. It has just destroyed this door. And that door ain't much better. I'm gonna have to fix this. I'm taking these out because I don't need them. Especially with the A-pillars and the horns. I don't need them treaters. I went ahead and turned them down in the 4-channel just now, but I'm probably gonna take some of the ducks off of my dash. But at Jeep Jam, I was giving demos for ducks. Nobody that owns a Jeep wants to duck a Cherokee. That's just how it is. The people that drive Wranglers hate Cherokees. So I thought it was cool to be like, demos for ducks. But anyway, guys, I'm probably going to go home here in a minute and get this edited and uploaded tonight. Like I said, it's Wednesday. So there ain't much more I can do to it. So, yeah, I'll probably head home before too long, edit this video, and get it out to y'all. It's been a pretty eventful day. Really, the only work we got to do around here today was this, cleaning the windows on this, because somebody used really, really cheap film, and it sun-baked to death. And the plastic film wanted to come off and leave the tint and glue there, so I learned a lot about that today from Dustin. But anyway, guys, I'm out. And as always, oh, shit, I didn't screw that up, didn't I? Yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my shit. I'm trying to get to at least, like, 15,000. That's like my next goal is 15K. Then 20. I'm trying to get to 100,000 before I die. So y'all can help me out with that. Just, like, hit the subscribe button if you're watching this shit and you ain't subscribed. Because I do content like this all the time. Random shit at the tent shop. Random shit on my Jeep, the Blazer, whatever. Just subscribe. Peace out and bass on.